Hello and welcome to Gadget Mad. MIDI keyboards can come in many different shapes and sizes, each with different features. I recently bought the Novation Launchkey 61 MIDI keyboard, which ticks all the boxes. So without further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing. The MIDI keyboard came in the standard retail box, but after I opened it up, it was clear that someone else had already opened it. Luckily, all of the components were there, unharmed. Like the majority of MIDI keyboards, this keyboard is made out of plastic. The plastic keys sadly aren't weighted and can scratch easily, so I'd recommend keeping away sharp objects. The controls can be found along the top of the unit. Not only are there 9 sliders, but there are also 8 more knobs and 16 drum pads. These can be assigned to different functions such as volume, automation clips, and really any other part of most plugins and VSTs. Along the left side is a modulation wheel and a pitch wheel. Above those is a small screen which displays the amount of which the controls are adjusting. The sliders and knobs all have a comfortable amount of friction, so they can move smoothly and stay in position. The drum pads, however, although they are velocity sensitive, does require a decent amount of force to play. Along the back of the keyboard you can find the USB port, the DC port, and the sustain pedal input. This package also comes with Ableton Live Lite and a bunch of VSTs and sounds. It was definitely worth the $400. To find out more, click the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.